Hi everyone, this is Sue from English Today. Welcome to another of our grammar series where we provide you 5 easy grammar tips in just under 5 minutes. Today we're exploring one of a word class, which is adjective. A keyword to mastering adjective is to understand the purpose, and that is to describe noun. So noun could be a person, a place, a thing. So adjectives provide more information about these nouns. So it can tell you more about the shape, its texture, the size of it, our feelings towards it, the quantity, the temperature, as well as the color. The second tip to understanding adjective is to look at how you should use it in a sentence or an utterance. So adjective modifies a noun. So if you remember, it tells you more about a person, a place, a thing. So you should place the adjective before the noun. That's part one. So you could put remarkable to modify work, as well as there's another noun here, which is team. You can also put your remarkable team. So it will appear before the noun to modify the noun, as well as the other option is to put it after the noun if it is after verb be. So your team's work was remarkable, therefore remarkable comes after the noun work because there is a verb be. So just give you an idea how to place adjective so that your readers or your listeners understand what you're trying to provide information on. Okay, so that's important. Tip number 3 would be feelings. It's a huge component of usage of adjective. So if you do add suffix like ed or ing, it does transform some of the root words. So for example here, terrify, he's terrified of public speaking, or I find public speaking absolutely terrifying. So in this case, terrified and terrifying, even though they look different and they are with different suffixes, they are both adjective to tell us more about our feelings. And another case to remember is not all words take on the ing suffix to form another adjective. So impress, in this case, would be impressive instead. So something to take note of. So not all root word takes on the ing suffix to create another adjective. And to have your sentences sounding natural, you do have to note the order of the appearance of adjective in your sentence or your utterances. So we usually place our opinions before the factual adjective. So in this case, you would place opinion ahead of size, age, shape, color, origin, and the material of the noun. So in this case, we are describing the conference room we just had our meeting at. So exquisite here is our opinion. Not many people will find the conference room exquisite, for example. High ceiling is the shape of this conference room, and wooden would be the material. So this should be the order of the adjective so that it sounds natural. So something to pay attention to when you are using more than one adjective to describe your noun. And finally, do remember the relationship of the adjective with the other word classes. So in this case, adjective has a really close relationship with nouns and verb. And usually, if you add the suffix, it will transform itself into an adjective. So for instance, delight would be delicious, and create would be creative in this case. So from noun or verb, they become adjective. So there you have it, 5 easy tips in under 5 minutes. We hope you have learned a lot about adjectives today, and see you again.